Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma and in this session we talk about the subject industrial engineering. And here I representing 92 most important MCQs with related in industrial engineering in EKT. So let's get started. Here first question, the Employee Provident Fund Act is applicable of. So correct answer is option D, the industry is notified by government. Now come to the next question. The amount deducted from the salary worker towards employees provident fund is. So correct answer is option D, deposited in account of worker with provided fund commissioner. So option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. The deduction for employees provident fund start. So correct answer is option D, after 240 day of joining the services. So deduction is start from the after 240 days of the joining the services. Now come to the next question. Take the odd man out. So correct answer is option D, that is Galileo. Now come to the next question. Current assets include. So correct answer is option A, manufacturing plant. In the manufacturing plant it come under the current assets. Now come to the next question. The objective of the time study to determine the time requirement to complete a job by. So correct answer is option B, average worker. Now come to the next question. Job enrichment technique is applied to. So correct answer is option D, all of these. So options are reduce labor monotony, option B, overcome boring and demotivating work, and option C, make people happy. So all of these are correct techniques for job enrichment. Now come to the next question. For ship vessel industry, the following layout is best suited. So correct answer is option C, fixed position layout. Now come to the next question. Routing is essential in the following type of the industry. So correct answer is option A, assembly industry. Now come to the next question. An optimum project schedule implies. So correct answer is option B, lowest possible cost and shortest possible time for project. So correct answer is option B. Now come to the next question. Graphical method, simplex method and transportation method are concerned with. So correct answer is option C, that is linear programming. Next question. In case a program for a project, so correct answer is option C, that is direct cost increase and indirect cost decreases. Come to the next question. To main object of the scientific layout is. So correct answer is option D, all of these, and options are to produce better quality of product, option B, to utilize maximum floor area, option C, to minimize production delay. So all of these are correct answer. Now come to the next question. Break-even analysis can be used for. So correct answer is option A, short-run analysis. Now come to the next question. CPM has following time estimate. So correct answer is option A, one time estimate. So in the case of the CPM, only one time of the estimate time is used. Now come to the next question. PERT has following time estimate. So correct answer is option C, three time estimate. So here PERT using only three times estimate. Now come to the next question. The tool made of cemented carbide wear out of the faster at. So correct answer is slow speed. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In PERT analysis, a critical activity has. So correct answer is option B, zero float. Now come to the next question. Which of the following organization is preferred in automobile industry? So correct answer is option D, line and staff organization. Now come to the next question. Which of the following organization is best suited for steel plants? So correct answer is option A, functional organization. Now come to the next question. The wastage of material in the store is taken into account by following method in the evaluation of the materials issued from the store. So correct answer is option A, inflated system. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is independent of sales forecast? So option A is correct, means productivity. Now come to the next question. Gantt chart are used for. So correct answer is option B, production schedule. Now come to the next question. Inventory management consists of. So correct answer is option D, all of above. And options are effective running of a store. Option B, state of merchandise, method of store and maintenance, etc. Option C, stock control system. So all of these are correct answer. Now come to the next question. Inventory control in production planning and control aim at. So correct answer is option C, adaptability customer service at low capital investment in inventory. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In inventory control, the economic order quality is the. So correct answer is option A, that is optimum lot size. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Statistical quality control technique are based on the theory of. So correct answer is option C, probability. Now come to the next question. The appellate authority for an industrial dispute is. So correct answer is option C, High Court or Supreme Court. Next question. Under the Apprenticeship Act. So correct answer is option D. For this question, only industries employing more than 500 workers have to recruit apprentice. So option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Standing orders which are such statutory or applicable to. So correct answer is option D, all industries employ more than 100 workers. So in the standing order, only more than 100 workers are included. So option D is your correct answer. Come to the next question. Acceptance sampling is widely used in. So correct answer is option C, mass production. In the case of the mass production, acceptance sampling is widely used. Now come to the next question. The technique of value analysis can be applied to. So correct answer is option D, any item. Now come to the next question. Value engineering aim at finding out the. So correct answer for this question is option C, major function of the item and completing the same at least cost without changing in quality. So in the case of the value engineering, option C is correct to define the aim of this value engineering. Now come to the next question. In the perpetual inventory control, the material is checked when it is reaches is. So correct answer is option A, minimum value. Now come to the next question. Merit rating is the method of determining worth of. So correct answer is option B, an industrial employee. Now come to the next question. Material handling and plant location is analyzed by the. So correct answer is option D, travel chart. So travel chart is analyzed basis of the material handling and plant location. Now come to the next question. Works cost implies. So correct answer is option D, that is primary cost plus factory expenses. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Motion study involves analysis of. So option A is correct, action of operation. Now come to the next question. Standard time as compared to normal time is. So option A is correct, means standard time is greater than as compared to normal time. Now come to the next question. Pick up the incorrect statement about the advantage of the working sampling. So there are 4 options. Option A, permit and fine breakdown of activities and delay. Option B, simultaneously study of any operators may be made by a single observer. Option C, calculation are easier method and method is economical and less time consuming. Option D, no time measuring devices are generally needed. So incorrect statement is option A, because here permitting of breakdown is of activity are delayed, so it is not delayed phases. Okay, now come to the next question. In which of the following layout the line needed to be balanced? Correct answer is option B, production layout. Now come to the next question. Which of the following layout is suitable for the mass production? So correct answer is option B, product layout. So product layout is correct for the mass production. Now come to the next question. Which of the following layout is suitable to job production? Job production basis is suitable is process layout. So process layout is correct answer, option A. Now come to the next question. Work sampling observation are taken on the basis of, so correct answer is option C, table of random numbers. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. One time measurement unit TMU in method time measurement system equal to, so correct answer is option B, 0.0006 minutes. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Basic motion time study give time for basic motion in 10,000 of, so correct answer is option B, minutes. So minutes is correct answer. Now come to the next question. Choose the wrong statement motion study is used for. So correct answer is option D, reducing inventory cost. So option D is your wrong statement. Now come to the next question. Gantt chart provides information about, so correct answer is option C, production schedule. Now come to the next question. ABC analysis deal with, so correct answer is option D, controlling inventory cost money. So ABC is deal with, option D is correct basis of ABC analysis. Now come to the next question. Process layout is employed for, so correct answer is option A, batch production. Now come to the next question. For product layout the material handling equipment must, so option D is correct, we designed as a special purpose for a particular application. Now come to the next question. Travel chart provides, so correct answer is option B, a compact estimate of the handling which must be done between the various work sections. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. So product layout is employed for, so correct answer is option B, that is continuous production. Now come to the next question. The process layout is best suited fair, so correct answer is option C, few number of non-standardized units are to be produced. So correct answer is option C. Now come to the next question. A low unit cost can be obtained by following, so correct answer is option A, product layout. Now come to the next question. Military organization is known as, so correct answer is option A, line organization. So this is most important question in the industrial engineering. Now come to the next question. The main disadvantage of line organization is, so here option D is correct, it means all of above, and options are top level executive have to be execute work, option B structure is rigid, and option C communication delay occur. So here in the case of the line organization these are the disadvantages. Now come to the next question. The main advantages of the line organization is, so correct answer is option D, all of these, and main advantages are option A, effective command and control, option B, defined responsibility at all level, option C, rigid discipline in the organization. So all of these are the advantage of the line organization, and line organization come under the military. So these are the most important questions. Now come to the next question. Frederick W. Taylor introduced a system of the working known as, so correct answer is option C, that is functional organization. Now come to the next question. The silent feature of the function organization is, so correct answer is option D, all of above, and options are strict adherence to specification, separation of the planning and design part, and option C, each individual maintenance function efficient. So option all of these are correct answer. Now come to the next question. The most popular type of the organization used for the civil engineering construction is, so correct answer is option A, line organization. Now come to the next question. Templates are used for, so correct answer is option A, planning layout. Now come to the next question. In a steel plant, the most important system for a material handling is, so correct answer is option D, locus. So locus is correct answer. Now come to the next question. Routing is prescribes the, so correct answer is option A, flow of material in the plant. So flow of material is specified and prescribed by the routing. Now come to the next question. Queuing theory deal with problem of, so correct answer is option B, reducing the faulting time and idle time. Now come to the next question. Standard time is defined as, so correct answer is option A, normal time plus allowance. Now come to the next question. Next question, father of the industrial engineering is, so correct answer is option C, F.W. Taylor, not the Gantt. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. A graphical device used to determine the break-even point and profit potential under the varying condition of the output and cost is known as, so correct answer is option C, break-even chart. So option C is your correct answer. Break-even analysis consists of, so correct answer is option C, fixed and variable cost. Come to the next question. Break-even analysis shows profit when, so correct answer is option A, when sales revenue is greater than total cost. Now come to the next question. In break-even analysis, total cost consists of, so correct answer is option A, fixed cost, because total cost is always fixed. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The break-even point represents, so correct answer is option C, time when industry will undergo loss. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In the cost structure of a product, the selling price of the determined by the factors such as, so correct answer is selling price determined by the all of these, means sales turnover, lowest competitive price and various element of the cost. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Work study is concerned with, so correct answer is option A, improving present method and finding standards. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Basic tool in the work study is, so correct answer is option D, stopwatch. Now come to the next question. In perpetual inventory control, the material is checked as it reaches it. So correct answer is option A, minimum value. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Material handling in the automobile industry is done by, so correct answer is option A, overhead crane. Now come to the next question. String diagram is used when, so correct answer is option A, team of the workers is working at a place. Here string diagram is used. Now come to the next question. Work study is most useful, so correct answer is option A, where production activities are involved. Now come to the next question. Micromotion study is, so correct answer is option D, subdivision of the operation into the thrilling and their analysis. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In micromotion study, thrilling is described by, thrilling is described by a standard symbol and color. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. The allowed time for a job equal standard time plus, so correct answer is policy allowance. So option A is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Micromotion study involve following a number of the fundamental hand motions. So correct answer is option D, 20. Next question. The standard time for a job is, correct answer is total work content plus delay contingency allowance. So option D is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Work study is done with the help of, so correct answer is option C, stopwatch. Now come to the next question. Scheduling gives information about, so option A is correct, when work should start and how much work should be completed during a certain period. So scheduling is used for the timing purpose. Now come to the next question. Choose the wrong statement. Time study is used to. So correct options are provide a basic for the setting piece prices in incentive wages. Option C, determine standard cost, and option D, determine the capability of the operator to handle the number of the machines. So these are the correct answer. Now here asked choose the wrong answer. So option is wrong, determine overhead expenses. Now come to the next question. Job evaluation is the method of determining these. So correct answer is option A, relative worth of the job. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Again, micromotion study is. So option is correct, analysis of man work method by the using of motion picture camera with a timing device in the field of view. So option is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Percent idle time for a man or machine is found by. So correct answer is option A, work sampling. Now come to the next question. TMU is in method time measuring standard for. So correct answer is option B, time measuring unit. Now come to the next question, and this is last question of this session, that is time study is. So correct answer is option A, the appraisal in the term of time for of the value of the work involving human effort. So option A is the correct answer. Now this session is ended here. I hope you understand all the questions. Thank you for watching. जय हिंद, जय भारत.